Good morning, Paul Chargy from Allendale. It's June 1st, 2010. Well, the markets are grain markets especially, going to be under pressure here this morning, early anyway, because of the outside markets. Euro is making new lows here this morning. That in turn is causing the dollar to make new highs, or testing the recent highs. It's up 42 as we speak. Crude oil under a lot of pressure here today. Down 120 at the moment. Puts the July contract at around the $72 area. The lows in the July crude has been as low as $67, 67.5 roughly. So we're just getting some adjustment there in the trading zone in the crude oil, but because of the outside markets, the energies are down, and that in turn is causing quite a bit of pressure in the grain markets here today. Stock market also expected to be under pressure when it opens. Right now it's suggesting that the Dow could open about 100 lower here this morning. In the corn market, we've got technical support around 353, and then again at 351.5. 51.5 is the April low, and the May low was tested here overnight. We also got news that from the CFTC on the commitment of traders showed that the funds did reduce short positions somewhat, which means they added to their net long position slightly here in the last week. The soybeans, same thing there. The crude oil is affecting soybeans greatly. If you look at a relationship between a crude oil and a soybean chart here over the last week or two, you can see that there is a high correlation in price. The crude oil being down, you expect beans to be lower here. Bean oil also under pressure because of the petroleum prices being lower. We've got technical support in the beans at 927.5, resistance at 941 in the July contract. We expect beans to open anywhere from 4 to 7 lower here this morning. Wheat market, it looks like the funds continue to add to short positions there. They've got a net short position of around 37,600 contracts, and we made new contract lows overnight in the July wheat, testing the 350 area. 356 was the old support area. A key number there is going to be, if we close below that 356 area, it opens the gate for a move for another 20 to 30 cents lower in the July contract of wheat. We're also getting very close to the beginning of harvest there. We're probably 2 to 3 weeks away from harvesting here in Illinois, southern Illinois, but the crop looks excellent. Crop conditions will be released this afternoon from the USDA for corn, beans, and wheat. And with the ideal weather conditions we got, it's expected that crop conditions are going to be the same or improve as the weather is excellent here for growing these crops. In the cattle, pressure continues there. We had a lot of pressure on Friday. We expect that we'll see some more pressure here this morning. $89 area in the August contract is critical support here this morning. If we take that out, it certainly looks like we could hit a bunch more stops and take this market lower. The cutout values are not helping at all. We had choice down 80 cents on Friday, select down 145. Pressure continues in the beef simply because of the demand side of the equation. Again, stock market under pressure is causing the continued pressure in the cattle trade. In the hogs, cutout values were down there on Friday as well, down 110. Cash prices today were anywhere from steady to 50 lower at the terminals, and in the direct trade, The futures market, we've got support at $81, resistance at $82 in the June contract of hogs. The trend there is still trying to be a higher market. We've had a stronger close on Friday, but today's action is going to be directed, at least early today, by overall emotional attitude from these outside markets. So summing it all up, we will be under pressure here today early, but we are coming in after a holiday. A lot of times we change directions there, so don't be surprised if there's some rally occurs late in the session here today. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.